Apple is a brand that needs no introduction. Over the years, it has made a name for itself as one of the most innovative and successful companies in the world. One of the reasons for Apple's success is its iPhone, which is arguably the most popular smartphone in the world. Today, we'll explore Apple's insane iPhone factory and explain how the company managed to produce millions of iPhones each year. Let's get started. Apple has several factories around the world where it manufactures its products. One of the most significant iPhone factories is located in China, where Apple has partnered with Foxconn to produce iPhones. Foxconn is a Taiwanese electronics manufacturer that is responsible for assembling the iPhone. Talking about the humongous state-of-the-art factory in China, which employs over 200,000 workers, Apple's iPhone factory is truly a marvel of modern engineering and manufacturing. The factory workers are responsible for assembling the various components into a finished iPhone. The iPhone is made up of hundreds of parts, and those parts are sourced from all over the world. The manufacturing process starts with the creation of the iPhone's components. Apple has a vast network of suppliers that provide various components, such as the battery, displays, and cameras. The components are then shipped to Apple's factories, where they are assembled into the final product. Apple's iPhone factory in China is a massive facility that spans several acres. The factory is designed to be highly efficient, with a focus on maximizing the production output while minimizing waste and energy consumption. The factory operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it can produce over 500,000 iPhones per day. The assembly line is also highly modular, which means that it can be easily reconfigured to accommodate changes in the production process. The interior and design of the factory are a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and excellence in all aspects of its business. From the product design to manufacturing, the interior of the factory is highly organized and meticulously designed, with each section of the factory dedicated to a specific aspect of the production process. Moving on, the whole place is divided into several sections, including the assembly lines, testing labs, and warehouse areas. First off, the assembly lines are the heart of the factory, where the components are assembled into finished iPhones. The assembly lines are remarkably automated and feature state-of-the-art machinery, including robot arms, conveyor belts that work together to assemble the iPhones quickly and accurately. It is also highly modular, which means that it can be easily reconfigured to accommodate changes in the production process. For example, one worker might be responsible for attaching the display, while another worker might be responsible for installing the camera. The testing labs are where each iPhone is put through a battery of tests to ensure that it meets Apple's strict quality standards. The testing labs are equipped with advanced equipment and software that can detect even the slightest effects in the iPhone. Each iPhone is subjected to several tests, including drop test, water-resistant tests, and performance tests, to ensure that it is in perfect working order before it is shipped to customers. On to the warehouse areas, where the finished iPhones are stored before they are shipped to customers. The warehouse areas are highly organized and feature state-of-the-art inventory management systems that can ensure that each iPhone is accounted for and can be easily located when it's time to ship it to a customer. This section of the factory is also equipped with advanced security systems to prevent theft or unauthorized access. Now, one of the most important parts of the factory is the research and development (R&D) area, where Apple engineers work to develop new technologies and improve existing ones. The R&D areas are where Apple's most innovative ideas come to life, and where the company's future products are developed. This part of the factory is highly secure and features advanced equipment and software to enable engineers to design and test new components and products. One of the most impressive things about Apple's insane factory is the level of quality control. Apple has a team of engineers and technicians who inspect every iPhone that comes off the assembly line. They use advanced testing equipment to ensure that each iPhone meets Apple's strict quality standards. If a defect is found, the iPhone is sent back to the assembly line for repair or reassembly. In addition to quality control, Apple's iPhone factory is also designed to be as environmental friendly as possible. The factory uses renewable energy sources, such as solar power. However, what's even more amazing is that the design of the factory is also highly focused on sustainability and environmental responsibility. The factory is powered by renewable energy sources such as solar power and features energy-efficient lighting and HVAC systems. The factory also uses water-saving techniques to conserve water, and all waste is recycled or disposed of in an environmentally responsible manner. Overall, the different sections of Apple's iPhone's marvelous factory are designed to be highly functional, efficient, and focused on quality control, and they work together to seamlessly produce millions of high-quality iPhones each year. Click on one of the two videos on your screen right now.